Hello everyone, and thanks for being here with us today. In this video, we'll explore how SoftScanner addresses one of the core challenges in continuous quality assessment of web applications, namely that of reconciling diverse stakeholder quality perspectives. So let's dive into what this actually means and how SoftScanner manages to overcome. So web applications are simply software projects which are often built and maintained by various stakeholders having different roles and levels of expertise, as you can see over here, and who thereby each have their own quality interests and understanding of what quality actually means. So for instance, a developer might require in-depth performance data to identify bottlenecks, while a business analyst needs aggregated user interaction information in order to gauge user engagement. So this divergence in roles, in expertise, and in interests leads to diversions in understandings, and it makes it challenging to have a unified and a consistent quality assessment framework. So without a common baseline, teams can end up with fragmented insights that complicated decision making. So SoftScanner tackles this challenge by basically establishing a unified definition of quality goals for quality assessment of web applications. And to do so, it leverages well-established quality models from standards such as the ISO IEC standards in order to create a structured hierarchy of quality goals. This hierarchy allows every stakeholder, so from technical experts all the way to business analysts, to select and refine them based on their unique needs, while maintaining a shared understanding of what quality means. So no matter your role, SoftScanner ensures you are working from the same foundational definition of quality. So this will lead to more consistent and reliable quality evaluations across roles, teams, interests, and levels of expertise, which will yield improved communication and decision making. So let's check it out in practice by consulting the SoftScanner UI. So when we go to the SoftScanner user interface, we can first see the form for the application metadata, where the user is required to provide information about the application they wish to assess. And then we can see the SoftScanner quality mapping model, which presents them with the hierarchy of quality goals from which they can select their desired goals. And you can see that for each goal, we have the possibility of reading some details about it in order to make sense of it. So for instance, if I click on interaction capability, you can see that its description says that it's the ability of a product to be interacted with by specified users to exchange information between the user and the system via the user interface to complete the intended task. So the same definition would be presented to all of the stakeholders regardless of their background. And every goal could also be refined, as you can see, and we can repeat the same process by reading the definition of each sub-goal as well to make sense of what they actually mean and to see if they have, for instance, any relation with other goals. So for instance, appropriateness recognizability is the degree to which users can recognize whether the software is appropriate for their needs, and it has interaction capability as its parent goal. And we can continue defining sub-goals if they are refinable, such as user engagement, for instance, into their own children sub-goals. The user engagement, for example, is broken down into the following sub-goals: popularity, activity, and loyalty. And if we examine their definitions, let's look at activity, for instance. So it's the degree to which users are actively engaged with the software. And loyalty describes the degree to which users are actually loyal to the software. Whereas popularity simply sees the degree to which the application is popular among its users. So we can see from this refinement that the different sub-goals could actually capture an overall estimation of what user engagement is, but also it could provide insightful information about the breadth and depth of user interaction based on these definitions. So in summary, SoftScanner's unified quality goal hierarchy bridges the gap between these diverse stakeholder perspectives by ensuring that everyone, regardless of their expertise, is aligned on what quality means. SoftScanner fosters consistent and accurate continuous quality assessments, thereby yielding more reliable decision making. In our next video, we'll demonstrate how SoftScanner actually maps these quality goals into concrete observable data for their assessment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.